Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're doing the unboxing of XTRFY products. We got 3 of them. Of course, you see one of them already. This is the M4. The other one's the B4, which is a mouse bungee and the mouse mat as well. So we're gonna open up all those products, and you guys are gonna see it here right now. So as you see the last unboxing video I did, I got the M42 and the M4 Black. I didn't like the M42. It was comfortable, but after a while it starts getting fatigued, so I rock with the M4. And then my birthday came last week, and I decided to go get this awesome. I love the color of it, black at the top, white and green, looks sick. So this is the XTRFY M4 Street Edition. So they came out with this to celebrate the launch of the M4 when they launched the product in New York City. And they showed this M4 ergo mouse for the first time. So that's why they came out with this, to celebrate that. So let's open up this baby. This is a limited edition, which you can keep this as a collector's item, but me, I'm gonna attempt to use this baby. So at the back right here, you have the dimensions of the mouse. And also if you can see this, you can pause it and read more information about it. So it looks like, of course, it looks City, New York. It's awesome. So I know they came out with the Tokyo edition. So like at this side of the box, you'll see the streets of Tokyo. But I'm from New York City. I like to see the streets of New York City, which is sick. So let's open up this bad boy right here. Ooh, okay. So it comes with the keycaps, which is sick. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I thought it was orange. Oh, that's sick. So the front is red and the back is green. Nice. And which number is this? Ooh, 2,189 out of 4,000. Ooh, let me go very easy with the power. I don't want to mess up this wire. There we go. Yeah, XTRFY really needs to find a way to come out with new packaging. That way you don't have to bend that cable. So it is a blue cable, which is sick. Green, nice. Let me put this somewhere safe. Right here. Also comes with extra mouse feet, XTRFY sticker, and a user guide how to set up with the mouse, which is nice. And put that inside. Okay. So let me put this over here. Put that here. All right, let me put this towards the side. All right. So the next one I got right here. I may sneeze. Nope, false alarm. So this is the XTRFY mouse mat. So this is the GP4. I really wanted to go with this mouse pad for quite some time. I love the color scheme of it. It looks beautiful. Ah, let's see. Let's open it up. Got it. Also, the good thing I like about this mouse pad is edge stitching, thank God. Ooh, look how beautiful this looks. Okay, let me stretch it out. So, there's the XTRFY logo right here. Wow, there's the logo. I'm trying to, okay, I have it the wrong way. So I'm gonna have to do this is put some bucks on it, make it flat as possible. That way, let me move it towards the side so you guys can see it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, look how beautiful this thing looks. This thing looks sick. All right, so let's open up the last one. So let me put a little bit more over here. So pretty much It's a XTRFY B4 mouse bungee. This is how it looks. Of course, it comes with different colors as well. Now, the color options you have, they're trying to match it with the M4 and also as well with the M42. So there's somebody who wants to like match. They do sell the mouse bungee and different colors. So let's say you have the retro M4 and you want to match it, or like me, you have the black one, you want to match with the black, you can. So you can go bananas and go nuts whatever color you want. So the reason why I got this, because I want to replace my SteelSeries one, because just to show you guys a little bit of demonstration, to see it slides a lot, and these feet really do not do a good job of staying still. Actually, let me correct it. They don't do a good job of giving some traction. So you see it moves around, which it gets annoying. And sometimes when I flick really hard, it drops, which I decided to go with this. And we're gonna open it up. So it's pretty easy to set up. Okay, there's no straw in here, so it has to be there at the bottom. Oh, there's the straw. So this base is really heavy, which is awesome. And look at that. The whole area of the mouse mat has a rubber grip, so it's not gonna go nowhere. Actually, let's get this out of the way. And look at this. I can lay it down here. Look at that. It's not gonna move. Now the straw is made out of rubber and a little bit of plastic as well, which is nice. So I'm gonna put it up here and get it set up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop the video right here and connect the M4 street mouse into my computer, and you're gonna see how it looks. So okay, I already have the mouse plugged in. I also set up the mouse bungee, which is nice. I can really flick the crap out where it won't drop, which is sick. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you like this unboxing. Any questions, you already know what to do. Answer those questions down in the comment section, and I will answer them as soon as possible. But until then, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy a wonderful weekend. Goodbye.